kind of measurement unit is this? Well, that is the correct measurement unit. What we are really interested in is to realize that the rate of acceleration of the sales is negative now. So this is not increasing anymore. Its rate of change is decreasing. So this is what is important. This is the correct measurement unit, but it doesn't really have a meaning. This one does. But this one doesn't really have a meaning. What the heck is that? Thousands of dollars per month squared. But this is not important. It's important to be correct, to be accurate. But this is what is important. It only says, careful, that at month 1, I don't know, you have to probably do something more or figure out a solution because your rate of acceleration is decreasing. Okay, so that's what it really means. And we have time to look at the population one. So let's look at population. The function, and here we have P of t, is 2000 t over 4t plus 75. Gives the population of deer. Population of deer after t months, t in months. Okay. Find p prime of 10. Yeah, they want us p prime of 50 and p prime of 100. So what I'm really interested in is just 2 of them we can continue plugging in. But I'm interested in finding p prime of t. And let me explain how I would do this, because this is much easier than just starting to differentiate. So remember we had the discussion with that 44 in front and something at the top and something else in the denominator. So this is the same idea. See, if I don't erase, don't change anything, because I will delete this. If I have here plus 10, I cannot do what I'm going to show you to do, what I'm going to ask you to do, or look at what I'm doing, okay? I cannot. But the numerator is just 2000 times t. I will take that constant outside. How come? Well, c, a constant times the function prime is c times the function prime. So I don't want to involve this if I have a choice, and I have a choice. So the function is really 2000 multiplied by t over 4t plus 75. So I'm not going to involve this at all. It can wait patiently. So then I have p prime of t, which is a constant, times. How do I differentiate this? Which rule do I have to use?
The quotient.
Brilliant. So I know that I have to write the denominator quickly and square it, because nobody will do anything to it anyway. But now I have to be careful. I differentiate the first function. What do I get?
1.
Excellent. So I have to multiply by the bottom. And then minus. I have to copy the numerator now. And I differentiate and multiply by this prime, or this differentiated. What do I get when I differentiate this?
Four.
Brilliant. So the answer is, for the rate of change, so p prime of t equals 75 times 2000. 2 times 75 is 150 and 3 more zeros. And over 4t plus 75 and squared. What do I need to do now is just plug in 10. So I'll plug in 10. I'm going to share my screen. And yes, I'm not going to upset Kimmy. She already told me just don't do it. And I will agree with this one. It's okay if I just do it like this. 150,000 divided by, in parentheses, I have 40 plus 75. 40 plus 75, I know what that is, it doesn't matter. And I square, and now I get this, 11.34. What does 11.34 mean? And what is the measurement unit? And this is the end of chapter 1.
Would it, because P was population, right? So would it be population over months?
That's it. So, and it has to be in thousands. So, thousands of deer per month.